What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video today. So basically what I want to talk about is how you guys can actually talk and negotiate with your suppliers, uh, in getting the prices and negotiating in a way that you can get a very, very good price when it comes to sets or units and good shipping costs. Now, a lot of these suppliers, they will take your ignorance as a new seller or someone talking to a supplier for the first time to their own advantage. And what do I mean by this? Now, a lot of times what they'll do, they'll overcharge you to take their own cut, so, for lack of better words, when it comes to selling you their product, whether it's for air shipping or freight shipping or sea shipping and for different products. Recently, a supplier, they were a 7-year gold supplier. They tried to charge me 88 cents for these plastic I forgot, like the plastic bag that my product goes into. They try to charge me 88 cents for that, and I'm getting 450 of these to go along with my product. 88 cents is way too much for these, tiny plastic bags that probably cost nothing to make. And when I negotiated with them, I'm like, hey, I looked up this product, or I looked up this plastic bag on I looked at other suppliers on Alibaba, and they had the bags for way cheaper. So I told him that, and he's like, okay, well, like right here, he says, hi, I checked all again. I'm sorry for the inconvenience because of my confusion in prices. They always will say that. They always act like oh, I didn't mean to do that, or I mistakenly put the wrong price or whatever. Guys, you have to talk to them about this, because if you don't, they can rip you off. They can scam you, I guess, but they will take your ignorance for their own advantage. So that's why you got to talk to them. That's why you got to negotiate with them. Do what you have to do, because in the end, in the long run, they want your money. That's what it comes down to. And if you're going to be able to talk them down to a certain price that you like, then they'll be able to work with you. You got to remember that they want your money. So no matter what, even if you say like, "Oh, I can't do this. It's too much," blah blah blah, they're probably going to come back a couple days later or even hours later and be like, "Hey, we can work something out. I talked to my boss or whatever." So guys, make sure you talk to your suppliers. Make sure you negotiate with them. It can save you a lot of money. This is what I didn't do um, on my last product, and I probably wasted some money. Uh, but another thing that you can do to check the actual prices of certain products. Let me see here. Another thing that you can do is go to the Chinese Alibaba. So and when you go on the Chinese Alibaba and search up products that you're interested into doing on the USA market, I don't know. Let's say we want to find a I don't know, a camping hammock or something like that, right? I know I probably have to convert this to Chinese real quick. Hold on. All right. Camping hammock in Chinese. Okay. Computer's acting weird. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me. I'm doing all this live. Alright, so now all you have to do is copy that, put it into Alibaba. No, I don't. Put that in there. And it should show up. Waiting. There we go. And what you guys can do, if you see these prices, this is in the Chinese yuan, I believe that's called, the Chinese currency. you're going to be able to actually go in here and look at these prices. Of course, this isn't in actual USD dollars. What you would have to do is take these prices, then put them into a Chinese American, USD converter, and basically you'll be able to tell, oh, let's say, I don't know, 49 when, let's say that's like $6. I don't know what it is, but let's say it is. Let's say it's actually $6 in USD, and then you actually go to the the American, or the North American or United States, or what am I talking about? The English version of the Alibaba. You go on there and you can basically compare the prices. So somebody on here is charging you like $7 to create a camping hammock, and then you go to Alibaba, and then someone's trying to charge you like 14 to almost $20 per hammock just for the same one. That's when you can be like, hey, I went on Chinese Alibaba, and this is what I found. Can we work? Can we work together with this? Because I found some other suppliers that are doing the same thing with much less, less expenses. So that's basically how I do it. That's how I'm going to do it, because this is a very good way to negotiate and basically, catch them with their pants down. You don't want to spend more money than you have to, and this is the same thing that works with air shipping. So air shipping, it should only cost at most like $5 a kilogram, for air shipping, like 7, 8 day shipping like that. Um, but yeah, guys, don't let them scam you on this type of stuff. I'm still talking to my supplier about it, but try and negotiate them down as much as possible. And what I plan to do, guys, what you can also do, um, let me see. But once you guys go into Alibaba, you can actually go and search even the like compare different suppliers. Like send different invoices to each one. Let's say you want to get 350 units. Try and send the same template of messages to each supplier that you want to do deals with or negotiate with, and see which one might outlie from the other. Like let's say one guy tries to charge you 800 for air shipping, and the other tries to charge you 1200 or 1400 for air shipping. Of course, that difference between the two, you want to find out why that is and see if you can lower that. I know getting into this, doing Amazon FBA is pretty expensive. If you want to do, getting the product in is one thing. That's going to cost you around 1,000 to maybe 1,100 bucks. But the second thing you have to do is a product launch, which could be upwards towards another $1,000, depending on what product you get into or what niche you get into and how many units you would have to give away and all that stuff with all the FBA fees. So getting those negotiations down, getting those price cuts down is very important in my opinion. I was almost not going to do the product that I'm about to do now, but now that I've negotiated with them, I can definitely say that I will be getting into this product, and I hope within the next couple of months or so, I'm gonna be able to make a full-time income with this. Like what at most in the summertime, at the latest in the summertime, I'll be able to move to Atlanta. I do live in Georgia. I really want to move into an apartment there for, I don't know, like 800 to 1,200 bucks. I want to be able to live there and just do me, so I don't have to have to worry about school or have to worry about other people or stuff like that, and so I can just work on my business there. But yeah, guys, that's basically my goal right now. My goal for the end of the year is actually to make at most. Um, I'm trying to hit 25,000, something like that. But hopefully, if I can surpass that by the end of the year, that'd be absolutely crazy. But yeah, guys, that's basically my goals for the end of the year. Um, Let me see what else we got here. But yeah, guys, you can literally just go in here and search what you want. And when you negotiate with these suppliers, make sure you talk to everyone. Just send different invoices to several different suppliers of the product that you want. Um, Let me think. What was I? I was going to talk about something. Oh yeah. So what I plan on doing, since the Chinese New Year is coming up, they're gonna start shutting down things for different suppliers. Some of them might still be working, but the Chinese New Year I believe is like February 14th or 17th or something like that. And they're gonna basically be shutting down production. They're gonna be going a little bit slower. And what I plan to do is I'm gonna be getting my product in before that actually happens, all that chaos. So, and then I'm gonna let it sit there because I know I have to do giveaways and stuff. Uh, and when you do giveaways, I'm probably gonna have like I don't know 200 maybe at most like 250 units in stock. And what I want to do, I want to let that my product sit there until the holidays are over, so I can actually reorder if I have to. Because if I start selling, let's say I get the product in within a week from now, and then the Chinese holiday hits, and I'm already out of stock after a week or two, and people are still coming back from the Chinese holiday, then I won't have any stock. Then I have to do a whole entire product launch again, which is really expensive. So that's probably what I'm gonna do is wait after the Chinese holiday and all that crap to actually launch my product up. So but hopefully within the next week or two, step one will be finished. I'll have my product in, pay the storage fees, do whatever. Then if I wait another 2 weeks, that'll give me some more time for me to save up money to do the product launch. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to share my journey with you guys and tell you the things that I deal with and the things I've dealt with, because I know getting into this, a lot of people don't have money. I honestly don't have that much money either. I work a regular part-time job, as probably many other people do, and basically I'm trying to change that. Hopefully, by the summertime. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, hit the uh, likes down below, and make sure you comment. I'll look at the comments, guys. I'll try and keep up with those and tell me what you guys want next time. But yeah, other than that, this channel is mostly going to be about my journey, different tutorials about Amazon FBA, and yeah, just entrepreneur lifestyle, reaching goals, and yep, succeeding. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.